TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair.
Okay. The cure. Wait, hold on. Let me take a high. The cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. You've ruined our lives. Heaven forbid someone whisper he's part of some scheme. Your enemy whispers, so you have to scream. That was so bad. Like, I was literally laughing during it. Okay, I'm not even gonna stop the video. But you ruined our lives. Heaven forbid someone whisper he's part of some scheme. Your enemy whispers, so you have to scream. I know about whispers. I see how you look at my sister. Don't! I'm not naive. I have seen women around you. Don't. Anyways, that was my cover. Thank you so much for watching. And if we include the bloopers, hope you enjoy them.
Carols playing in the air.